Do you know something about Everton Daily that I don't know? Are you an undercover spy or something?
Really? And they say Edgar.
What's this?
Take it and read it. All of them things there are front page news. All over the media, all over the internet. And you gonna tell me say you not see them something there?
I've seen this, but I know it's that Mr. Mulling's character trying to frame him.
My girl, how will you live? The Lulu land?
I don't believe that for a second, okay? I know what he's been doing in this country. Plus, he always says, politics is so ungrateful.
Politics not ungrateful. And a matter of fact, I'm a politics, a politician.
I don't want to continue this conversation with you because it's obvious that you don't like politics in general. And if this is how it's going to continue, I'd prefer to go home.
I intend for continue being this childish. To make this man rule you, even though him leave you.
He hasn't left me. He's missing.
Vanessa, from the incident, you ever go on social media?
I don't have time for social media.
But you not do nothing. You not go work. You're there, look out of space. World a pass you by. Nothing.
I'm thinking about him.
He might think about you.
I don't even know if he's okay, Tonyan. I'm not hearing from him.
But I hope I not do this. Look, midday news. He might give a speech on one function. I'm wife this beside him. So you think he missing? Vanessa, life have to go on. My live fame one. So snap out of this. Please.
Does this mean I meant nothing to him?
It no matter if you mean no to him. You have to start meaning something to yourself and love yourself.
It's hard, Tonyan.
It's only hard when you don't have support. And you have support. You have me.
nice place. I didn't know it existed.
I'm a brethren Carlton tell me about it.
Oh, the Wallace man.
So, how the youth?
The same way he was doing weeks ago, Mr. Sullivan.
You realize so you're not giving no information from when we talked the last time?
You're joking, right? I told you exactly what was happening with him.
You tell me that, yes, but you never tell me which hospital him there and when me for give him the blood.
Because I was planning to work around it and get blood for him from another source.
What you mean, get blood from another source?
You've not been present in his life since he was born. So I don't have to take anything from you, and I won't.
What's it? Me send money for my youth all the while. What you talking about?
Please, don't speak to me like I'm one of your other baby mothers. I'm not that girl. I don't need your money. He doesn't need your money. What he really needs is a father.
So hold on. Me a what?
A man that injected sperm inside of me that resulted in a child. A child that I am raising alone.
But me a support him. And you a do that alone?
Tell me something, Mr. Sullivan. Can your money spend valuable time with him? Can your money teach him the ways of the world? You know, funny. I have all that money saved up, ready to send it back to you whenever you'd like.
What you say? Hey, remember say you do where all of my other baby mother them try for doing up. Try keep me youth from me.
Do not raise your voice at me. And shouldn't that tell you something, Trevor? That we all have one smart thing in common. To keep our child away from you.